Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super useful for anyone working on their Wix website. How to hide elements on your site. Whether you want to clean up your design, create a mobile-friendly layout, or just tidy things up before publishing, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to hide any element you want, quickly and confidently. If you're brand new to Wix or just looking for a refresher, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. First, you'll want to go to your Wix web design dashboard. This is your main hub, where you build and edit everything that makes up your site. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now and open the website you want to work on. Think of this dashboard like the cockpit of a plane. Everything you need for a smooth flight is right here at your fingertips. Now, let's switch over to mobile mode. Up at the top of the Wix editor, you'll see options to preview and edit your site as it appears on different devices. Why switch to mobile mode? Well, lots of users will view your site from their phones, so it's important to customize what they see and maybe hide certain desktop elements that don't look great on a smaller screen. Just click the mobile icon, looks like a little phone, and your site preview will instantly shift to mobile view. Before you do anything else, take a moment to look at the top right of your screen, where the toolbars and extra options live. We need to make sure layers and toolbars are enabled. Sometimes they're hidden by default, especially if you've customized your workspace before. Click on the Tools button. It might say Tools or just be an icon, and make sure you turn on Layers and Toolbars. If you're not seeing them, look for little checkboxes or switches to enable them. Layers are your key to quickly jumping between all the elements that make up your website, kind of like lifting pieces in a collage to see what's underneath. Now, inside the Layers panel, which should appear as a sidebar or pop-up, you'll see a list of all the elements on your current page: text boxes, images, buttons, shapes, and anything else you've added. This makes it super simple to find exactly what you're looking for without clicking all over your site. If you think of your website as a stack of transparent sheets, each layer is one of those sheets, and the Layers panel lets you see everything at a glance. To hide an element, just click on it in the Layers panel. You should see that element get selected. Sometimes it highlights or outlines it in the main editor. Then, head up to the toolbars. You're looking for an option that says Hide. Sometimes it's in a drop-down menu, and sometimes it appears as a slashed eye icon. Just like how you'd close your eyes to block something out, clicking this icon quickly hides the element from view on your site. If you're ever worried about hiding something important, don't stress. You can always reverse it later if you need to. And that's seriously all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've made your site cleaner and tailored for mobile users or for whatever look you're going for. It's a small but powerful trick that makes a real difference in your website's user experience. Don't rush. Take your time exploring these tools and play around with different elements to see how they affect the overall feel of your site. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts or questions down in the comments. I'm always here to help. Make sure to subscribe for more Wix tips and web design tutorials just like this one. Happy building, and I'll see you in the next video.